everyone, Hazel's Emporium here. Welcome to my channel, Hazel's Emporium, and to those who are new to me, my name is Hazel. Welcome and thank you for coming to my prem. So for today's video, this is from Bestify.ru company. Thank you so much, Bestify, for your generosity. You give this product to me for free. I did not spend not even a time to have this product. So very quick information about this Bestify.ru company. This is another replica store online, guys. There are many more replica store online, which is really good though. I don't see any wrong with the replica store online. That is very practical. That is very positive. And of course, this is all my opinion. It's all up to you to decide at the end of the day, okay? And you can also use my discount coupon. That's a very big help to our pocket. A little savings, peso, time, centavo helps a lot. Okay? So Bestify.ru has a lot to offer. This is a few eyesight for your reference. They do have a lot of different luxury bags. Of course, women, please. And they have a lot of shoes too. Look at that. And of course, accessories. They do have a lot of accessories, and it's going sale. Halloween is coming. Lots of holidays are coming. Christmas is coming. So you deserve a gift. Go shopping. I will put all the link and description to this company, so you can go check please below in this video. I all have the description to this company. Please go check and go shopping. You deserve a gift to yourself, as I've always said that. So without further ado, let's jump into the unboxing to this. Please see me more in the unboxing and in the try on, as I've said, outdoor. I will be using this in the Thanksgiving and the house viewing tour. Ta-da! Please careful when using sharp objects, okay? Ta-da! Look at this. Okay, I am so thrilled of this. Let's open up this. I have paperwork and stuff here. Let's check that later. Ta-da! Oh, what a beauty! Look at this. And there is one pocket, and look at this. Check this out. Two compartment and a zipper slides so perfectly. Okay, let's proceed. Oh my god, gorgeous, so pretty. Looks very classy though, you know, so formal, very elegant. Let's take this off. Okay. Oh, look at that strap. Look at this, guys. So, what a beauty. Looks very elegant. Oh, let's take this off. Okay. Oh, very elegant though. Smells so good. And I have a Gucci here inside. Material is like a gamosa. And oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. Let's check on closer check. I don't see any out of line stitches. Pretty much they are in line. Oh, look at that. Look how cool is this. Huh? Beauty, hey? Super! Huh? Well, I can't really wait to try this on outdoor. I will be using this for my Thanksgiving event. Okay, so we will be celebrating Thanksgiving on Monday, but we will do Sunday dinner. So I will be using this in our Thanksgiving dinner, part of my try on outdoor. Wow, look at this, gorgeous now. Super elegant. Oh my god, thank you so much for this. I really love this, especially in a very special occasion, Christmas, dinner date, dinner with your loved ones, with my loved ones. This is so elegant, super beauty though. You will not regret at all to this purse. Very. Let's take a look inside closely again. Okay, so this has 2 compartments with the mid zipper. Okay, all right. Zipper slides so perfectly, guys. You heard that, and it smells so good. Smells like original, although this is not original. This is a replica bag. Seems like original though. Who can tell this is not an original one? This is a replica with the original material. What a beauty, huh? Gorgeous, super. Thank you so much, Bestify, for this. I love it very much. So let's try this outdoor.
I step up to the mic, gonna make it swing. Feel the rhythm in your bones, let the music sing. Got that poppin' beat, gonna make you move. Dancing on the floor in the swinging groove. Clap your hands now, let the trumpets sound. Swinging to the left and swinging to the right, no room for worries. Just let go and be free. When the swinging pop, come and join the spree. Swinging melodies, taking us high. Feel the rhythm